Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling stuck, or unsure of how to build real, lasting wealth? What if I told you that building wealth is not complicated and it doesn't require a $1 million idea? In fact, all it takes are simple 5 steps that anyone can follow. Stick around to learn these steps because 2025 is your year to take control of your financial future. Welcome to Mindful Wealth Education. In this video, we will dive into 5 simple steps you can start following right now to build wealth. Whether you are just starting your journey or looking to level up your finances, these steps will put you on the path to financial freedom. Let's get started. Step 1. Develop a wealth mindset. Before you can build wealth, you need to believe you can. Building wealth being with your mindset, you must shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. What does that mean? It's about seeing opportunities, not obstacles. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you can create and achieve. Actionable tip: spend just 10 minutes every morning. Practice gratitude and visualization. These set a powerful intention for your day and reinforce a mindset of abundance. Step 2. Live below your means. One of the biggest mistakes people make is spending more than they earn. It doesn't matter how much you make if you are constantly overspending. To build wealth, you need to live below your means. Actionable tip: create a simple budget and stick to it. Track your expenses and set aside at least 20% of your income for saving and investment. Cutting out unnecessary expenses and focus on saving will help you accumulate wealth over time. Step 3. Invest early and consistently. Investing is a key factor in wealth building, and the earlier you start, the better. The magic of compound interest works best when time is on your side. You don't need to start with huge amount of money. Just be consistent. Actionable tip: start with low cost index fund or ETFs. Even investing $50 a month can make a huge difference in the long run. Use app like Robinhood or open a retirement account like an IRA to get started with minimal fees. Step 4. Focus on increasing your income. While saving and investing are crucial, you also need to focus on increasing your income. The more money you make, the more you can save and invest. Look for opportunities to grow your income, whether through job, side hustle, or business. Actionable tip: identify skills that are in demand and learning them, whether it's coding, digital marketing, or content creation. Increasing your skill set can help you command higher pay and create additional income streams. Step 5. Build a strong financial foundation. Before you go all in on investment, you need to build a strong financial foundation. This means having an emergency fund, paying off high interest debt, and ensuring you have adequate insurance coverage. Without this foundation, expenses or emergency can down your wealth. Actionable tip: aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expense. Save in an easy accessible account. Pay off high interest debt first before you focus on other financial goals. Now, building wealth is not about taking big risky gambles. It's about consistently following simple proven steps. By developing the right mindset, living below your means, invest early, increasing your income, and building a strong financial foundation, you will be well on your way to financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Mindful Wealth Education for more wealth building tips. And if you are serious about taking control of your finance, drop a comment below with your biggest financial goal for 2025 and let's start this journey together. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth is built one step at a time. Stay mindful, stay consistent, and let's make this year start of your financial success.